With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, a thermally insulated chamber of volume 2V0 is divided by a frictionless piston of area S into two equal parts. One part is A and second part is B. Part A has an ideal gas at pressure P0 and temperature T0, and part B is vacuum. That means there is no gas. A massless spring of force constant K is connected with the piston and the wall of the container as shown. Initially the spring is unstretched. The gas inside chamber A is allowed to expand. At an equilibrium, the spring be compressed by X naught. Then there are some options given in the question, and we have to tell that if the pressure of the gas at equilibrium is kx naught by s, or the work done by the gas is half kx naught square, or increase in internal energy of the gas is half kx naught square, and the last one is temperature of the gas is decrease. Now let's start the solution. As we can see in the figure, this is a piston. So in this piston there are two forces acting. First, because of the gas, suppose the pressure of the gas is P and area is S, so the force applied by the gas on piston is PS, pressure into area, and one more force is acting on this piston because of this spring. Suppose this spring is stressed by X naught as given in the question, so the force because of this spring on piston is given by Kx naught. Now at equilibrium at equilibrium net force is 0. That means Ps equals to Kx naught. Okay, so from here our final pressure is equal to Kx naught upon S. Oh, okay. So the first option which is said that our pressure of the gas at equilibrium is Kx naught by S. So this is right statement. Now as it is said in the question that the chamber is insulated. Insulated means there is no heat exchange between them. That means delta Q is 0, and the work done is now given by energy stored in spring. Okay, the work done for this chamber is given by the energy stored in spring. Now the energy for the stressed spring, because our spring is stressed, is given by the formula half kx naught square. Okay, so our delta W is equals to half kx naught square, where x naught is the displacement in spring and k is the constant. So our work done is equal to the half kx naught square. Let's check the option. Work done by the gas is half kx naught square. That means this is correct. Now we already discussed that the heat transfer in this process is 0. That means from first law of thermodynamics, delta Q total heat equals to the sum of internal energy plus work done. Delta Q is 0 because there is no heat transfer between the system and surrounding because our chamber is insulated. In that case, our internal energy is equal to the minus of work done, and we already calculated our work done. So our internal energy will be minus half kx naught square. That means our change in internal energy is equal to the work done but with the negative sign, but the magnitude of both are same. So the third option is increase in internal energy of the gas is half kx naught square. If they are talking about the magnitude, that time this statement is true because the magnitude of the work done and internal energy is same but the sign is different. The last is temperature of the gas is decreased. Now as we know that our internal energy is the function of temperature. Okay, so our internal energy is depend on the temperature, because we know that our internal energy is given by the formula NCV delta T. N is always positive, CV is always positive, and delta T. When our delta U is in negative, that means our delta T also in negative. When our internal energy is negative, that means our delta T also in negative, because N and CV are always in positive. When delta T is negative, that means temperature is decrease. That's why our change in temperature comes in negative. So temperature is decreased. So the last option which said that temperature of the gas is decreased is also correct. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.